Today we're going to bring a VR charging head strap. So let's go ahead and put it together and see how it looks. So this has charging station. It has some charge in here, but this is going to give you another couple hours of playing time. All right. So easy to charge. It comes with a cable, a Type C. If you guys can see in the back of it, Type C connection. This is to actually set it up, close it up, and get it to your head. Very simple on that part. So it's easy to set up. All you got to do is make sure you clip these two on into the side of the actual VR set, and that's pretty much it. And then set the last part, which is this part, the nuggin part, and it's already set up for you. So all you got to do is set up the front. We got that clip in there, right? And all you got to do is put the strap in here. And when you're doing that, you could take out the face of the actual VR system, right? All right, so we got it finished completely. I like this lever here. They actually brings in the actual system in or out. It has cushion in the back. All right, cushion in the top. All right, let's put it on. So we're gonna go ahead and open it up a little bit more, and that's it. So the weight, you don't feel anything in the back because it balances off with the front. It feels kind of like center, right? Center of gravity is pretty much right here. I feel it right here in this part. So you guys can see shake mode, doesn't fall, doesn't move that much. Lock it in. If it does, just there you go. Don't feel any pressure at all. It's loose. You could just release it just a little bit. The top cushion, very simple. I like it. Very comfortable, easy to use. Hope you guys enjoy the video.